Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki Khubor baman kasni.
Komisi benta kajingrakhe yaka Ustm PR Day 2018. Hennen kasni kasantarek unaitung. Kaskolba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kalasam khosnam karpang syaki Nongpathai Khubor jogani ka Thaiñ Shatei Lammihngi ki balano senyang ha kajing syakri jongki ki pajba bansai kasor jongki lengba kata ka Fort Estate yaka Ustm Media Excellence Award jong Ustm arja kapra laa syaki sangut kinong tho Khubor ki balai bha hakani kalan bat ki balak hampau khmat hakakam ka bakitrei na ka bentau pajba kata Syau Samudra Gupta Keshyap ubalang way ni kinong tho balakham slam hakani kam nangta Uzarir Hussein ubalang Chief Managing Editor jongka News Live Television nangta Dilip Chandan ubalang Editor jongka Assam Bani bat Kameni Mahanta kabadai ke Editor jongka Nandini yaka Ustm Media Achievers Awards 2018 part lasam syaki prangot kinong tho Khubor bahakmat jongka ni ka Thaiñ Shatei Lammihngi bat nakini ki prangon arngot kidei ki ba nakani kanong ba Shillong bakan top yo samla Afaq Hussein ubalang staff reporter jongka kot Khubor the Shillong Times bat ka waipat kadai ke samla Ivan Jablin Khar ka badai ke senior reporter jongka kot Khubor Meghalaya Guardian Shillong yaki kusnam hakani kasngi lasam da usike das IAS balasong Thaiñ bat ubalang ru khot jongka North Eastern Council baralong kongsan hakani ke jilang rengkat berulat barem jangka jela Meghalaya URS Musyahari ubaralong sembut kongsan. Hagani kasngi Managing Director jangka kot Khubor The Shillong Times Manas Chaudhry bat uprasenta Rajguru ubalang editor jangka Amar Assam kila jingkren halor kimat ki bedai bagi kam ki bagi skolba lani ki university ki shimkia ban penpriang ya ke jingnang jingstat.
It appeared to me that universities were established are also being established with the sole commercial purpose of making profit without adherence to the norms of ethics and good academic practices. To make money is a great high among some universities who start awarding doctorates in hundreds without any care for the standard or even provide the thesis to the aspiring PhD scholars. So I hope this trend is no longer there, particularly in USTM. And if this continues, I think India will never see a society that we want to build. Education is the backbone of social change. But the change can also be bad, though we want change for better. But when the educational system is such that there is absolutely no standard in the universities, the product of such universities will only be bad. One of the main reasons why India is remaining where we are, a huge nation of resources, manpower, skill, brilliance, and everything. Why are we remaining where we are today? This is that I think we have made too much of politics and religion. We have mixed politics and religion too much. Everywhere we talk of religion, everywhere we talk of politics. You know, there are hardly any people there in those countries that going to church every day, praying 5 days times a day, or going to temples. They have left religion in the core of their heart. It is a personal matter for me. I don't want to discuss about it. I don't need to go to church. I don't need to go to temple to pray. It is with them. But I am imbibing the good points of religion without showing people that I am a religious man. Same thing, the politics. I don't want to discuss every time politics. The happiest countries are those who have been able to keep politics and religion to themselves without discussing in public. They are the happiest countries where religion and politics have become the topic of discussions day in and day out. That country has not progressed. not likely to progress. I think these priorities we have to really reconsider. Why is it that we can't do it? We can do that. It is after all the country, ancient country of Sanatana Dharma. What was the principle of Sanatana Dharma, which we have totally ignored now? It says, Satyam Bruvat, Priyam Bruvat, Priyam Cha Nanrutam Bruvat, Esa Dharma Sanatana. We say that Hinduism have evolved from Sanatana Dharma, but the essence of Sanatana Dharma is that Satyam Bruvat, speak only the truth. Na Bruvat Satyam Apriyam. Priyam Cha Nanrutam Bruvat, Esa Dharma Sanatana. That don't speak ill of anything. Always speak the truth. Even if you speak something untrue, speak it nicely, but don't try to hurt anyone. That principle was the principle of our ancient heritage. Where have we lost it? So many temples have come, so many churches have come, so many mosques have come now. The more the temple, the more the mosque, the more the churches, I think we are really going down.
I'd like to express my thanks to the jury for nominating me and the USTM for honoring me with the USTM Media Achievers Award 2018. And this recognition, I feel, would have not happened if it would, without the inspiration of my editor, Mr. Ratul Barwa, my seniors, my friends and my colleagues, whom I have deep respect and from whom I have derived, so much strength to face my challenges and at work and to perform better at my work. And I also express my thanks to each and everyone who have been part of helping me reach the stage where I would hold this award as a mark of my achievement.
I thank the USTM for honoring me with this award, and I'm here today because of an organization like the Shillong Times, and this award which was conferred to me will further inspire me to work even harder and become even a better journalist in years to come. And as long as I continue in this field, I'll ensure that I try to bring out only the facts and the issues which affects the common people, and I'll aspire that I do my duty without any fear or fear.
Every journalist in Meghalaya, as we know them, they are all hardworking, and I feel that everyone deserves, an award.